Good morning, my friend. Today, I'll tell you a story about the power of small daily habits. Meet David. Every morning, he woke up tired, feeling unmotivated. He often woke up late, skipped breakfast, and rushed to work stressed. His routine was simple but unhealthy. Wake up, check the phone, scroll, scroll, scroll. Every night, he told himself, "Tomorrow, I'll change." But tomorrow looked the same. One day, David heard a simple idea. Small daily habits can change your life. So he asked himself, what small thing can I do today? The next morning, he started with something simple. He drank a glass of water right after waking up. Then he made his bed. It took just 1 minute, but felt like a little victory. After that, just 5 push-ups. Not 50, not 100, only 5. Day by day, these tiny habits became part of his routine. Soon, he started walking for 10 minutes every morning. He also prepared a simple breakfast, instead of skipping it. At night, he replaced 30 minutes of phone scrolling with reading a good book. In just 1 month, his life felt completely different. David learned an important lesson. Small steps create big changes. He felt more focused, healthier, and proud of himself. His friends noticed the change. "What's your secret?" they asked. His friends noticed the change. "What's your secret?" they asked. He smiled and said, "I just started with one small thing, every day." Soon, they all started adding small habits to their lives too. Together, they grew stronger, healthier, and happier. Weeks turned into months, and those tiny habits became a powerful routine. David realized he didn't need a big change, just small, daily wins. Success is built on small things, done consistently. His work improved, his mood improved, his life improved. So remember, if you want change, start small. Start today. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, like, comment, and subscribe for more English stories and daily motivation.